Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to come on by and check out this vid. Appreciate all of your support. I'm over at Tech Radar. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And I'm sure there's other websites that have the same information I'm going to be sharing with all of you. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. For those of you interested in this device that's coming out real soon, got some information I want to share with you. Pre-orders July 9th over at Amazon and Best Buy. No word about the Sony website itself. If I find out anything, I'll let you all know. So for right now, July 9th, pre-orders, Amazon, Best Buy. Release date, July 30th. Price point, are you ready for this? $999. Basically 1,000 smacks. It's a lot of money. This is the second generation of the XZ Premium series. I have the first. Beautiful device, great device in so many ways. Originally priced at 800 smacks, it dropped down to 550, and that's when I picked it up. And over at Best Buy and on Amazon, the price point has been just going back and forth from 550 to 5. And well, if there's any other different price points that you've seen, please share that down below. But that's what I've seen it at. And for 550, it was a great pickup for me, and the choice to do so, still a great one. $1,000 for the XZ2 Premium, yeah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. If you are going to pick up this device at 1,000 smacks, let me know down below. But I'll be waiting. Now, there is a bonus. Sony has announced the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium priced at $999.99 in the US with a confirmed release date of July 30, 2018. This device will be available for pre-order July 9th from Amazon and Best Buy, with the former also offering a free pair of Sony Xperia Ear Duo wireless headphones as an added bonus. $280 pair of Sony Xperia Ear Duo wireless headphones. No word on pre-order bonuses in other territories just yet. International. Going to have a 4K display, 5.8-inch 4K display, and I will tell you something, man. This is not an AMOLED display, IPS LCD, and it is beautiful watching 4K video content. It's amazing. You have to see it for yourself. 19 megapixel and 12 megapixel rear cameras. Going to have a 13 megapixel front-facing cam. An electronic image stabilization front and back. No mention of optical image stabilization whatsoever on the back or the front. If I find out anything on that, and that's even over at GSM Arena, you're going to get the hardcore specs over at that website, and there's no mention of OIS. All I see is EIS. So if anything changes, I'll let you all know. Wireless charging, water and dust resistant, 3.0 fast charge. So, I mean, there's going to be a lot going on with this device as far as the hardcore specs. The 4K display is what's going to be amazing, and you're going to be able to record 4K HDR video. So something to look forward to for those of you who are into shooting a lot of video, like myself. Snapdragon 845 chipset, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, and up to 512 extra gigs of memory as well. So a lot going on underneath the hood of this device. It should be a monster device in performance and functionality. But that's a hefty price point. You're getting those Sony Xperia Ear Duo wireless headphones as well. So that'll be really cool. I think it's a, let me go over to the GSM Arena, 3540 milliamp battery. So the battery life should be sufficient on this device too, as long as everything's well optimized. Shouldn't have any issues with battery life. I have really good battery life on my first generation Sony Xperia XZ Premium. If you're interested in this device, let me know down below. Are you going to be paying the full price? You're going to wait for the price point to drop like me, and then I'll see if it's something that I'll pick up, because I am really interested in picking up the second gen. It all depends on the timing and the price and what I'm bringing in at the time. So we'll see. It is going to have Android Oreo 8.0. It doesn't say 8.1, so we'll see about that. If that changes later too, I'll let you all know. Dual speaker setup. just like the first gen, and hopefully the speakers are a little bit louder. They're really, it has really great audio as far as the first generation, but it could be a little bit louder, so hopefully they'll do something with that. As far as the color choices, you're going to have chrome black and chrome silver, and that can change too as well. So that's the information I have on the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium as far as pre-orders July 9th, Amazon Best Buy, release date July 30th, and what you get in the box here in the United States through Best Buy and Amazon. Again, if anything changes as far as any information over at the Sony website, I'll let you all know that too. If there's anything I miss here, you can ask down below as far as questions that you may have. But what do you think? Especially for those of you who are interested in Sony devices and you're looking forward to this amazing, what should be an amazing flagship device from Sony. Looking forward to seeing this device come out. I'm looking forward to watching some reviews. And, well, when the time is right, we'll see if I can pick it up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace, God bless. Thanks for being a part of my Project 13. In the next video, I'm out.